Will carpet cleaning remove pet odour? Yes, it can, with the correct products and techniques. But we have to remember that pet urine and pet odour or pet smells are two different things. Doncaster carpet cleaners can remove pet odours up to a point. We all love our pets, but they can be high maintenance. Like us, they have little accidents from time to time, especially when they are young or old. They get sick, just like we do. This often leads to odour issues, be it general pet smells or cat or dog urine smells. Cat or dog pee can be a persistent problem and it can be very difficult to remove. But it's important to say at this point that sometimes the carpet, or more likely the underlay, will actually need replacing. Now sometimes, especially with pet wee, it just can't be removed. You can waste lots of money at the pet shop buying pet odour treatments or removal products. But without the testing equipment and the proper odour training, you may be throwing good money after bad. Having said that, Doncaster Carpet Cleaners has all the product knowledge and pet odour treatment products and high power machinery to deal with a large percentage of pet wee problems. So rather than try to get rid of the pet smells yourself, why not get Doncaster Carpets in to get rid of that pet urine smell and clean your whole carpet in the process. It will probably work out more cost effective in the long run and you won't have to do it yourself. Pet urines contain ammonia, which is corrosive to the lungs and the respiratory system. It's not good for you. So on top of the pet smell and all the wee, you have a health hazard. Well, fortunately, it doesn't have to stay like that. We have specialist training to deal with all aspects of pet odour. That is everything from general pet smells around the house to pet urine issues. But if we think it's not going to be effective, we won't waste your money. Sometimes we just have to tell you that treatment is unlikely to work and that you'll have to replace the carpet and or the underlay. We are here to save you money in the long run, not to copy a quick flick and give you your money. So the answer to how can I remove dog urine odour from my carpet would be to call Doncaster Carpet Cleaners first. Sometimes all you need is a bit of carpet odour removal advice over the phone. Perhaps all you need to know is what is the best carpet cleaner for old pet urine, or what is a good pet odour remover. I had a call the other day from a lady asking, does steam cleaning remove odours? Well, lucky for her, she called us first, because we know that adding heat to urine is a great way to fix that smell in the carpet forever. We saved her from having to buy a new carpet and all the upheaval that goes with that. Other times we'll need to pop over and have a look. In any event, that's free and it'll only take around 5 minutes or so for us to get to the bottom of your issue. As a local carpet cleaning firm in Doncaster, you can be sure of a great service. Our reputation relies on it. We are only ever a few moments away, and because, unlike some carpet cleaning firms in Doncaster, we only serve Doncaster. And don't forget, Doncaster Carpet Cleaners have all the training, products and experience to remove pet and urine odour. So, the answer to the question, will carpet cleaning remove pet odour, is yes.